Hello guys, welcome to Lucas's nursery. I figured we finally put away some of his clothes that no longer fit him. If you guys are new to this channel, I am a first-time mom to Lucas. He is 7 months and 3 weeks, so he's pretty much almost gonna be 8 months. And right now I still have, you can actually see like his closet area, and then over here I have some of his clothes in the dresser. A lot of 3 to 6 are still up, hanging up, and just hanging out. So I need to get those sorted out and put away. I'm going to show you guys the decluttering process, and then I'm also going to show you guys how I store all of those clothes. He is our first, so we are going to try for baby number 2. I don't know if it's going to be a boy or a girl, so I am going to keep most of his clothes. Also, Lucas is with me today, so he's going to be hanging out and playing around while I declutter all of his clothes. Alright, so we're going to do the drawer area first. This is mainly where I have all of his pants and long sleeves and short sleeves. So anything that is 3 to 6 months, he no longer fits in. So I'm going to put those aside, as well as pants. Pants, sometimes if they're at just solid 6 months, not 3 to 6, then he will fit in them. So I'll kind of look at them and see if they fit. But for now, 3 to 6 is what we're going to get rid of. Guys, I bought way too many clothes for him during the 3 to 6 month range, and I'm quickly realizing that he doesn't need that many clothes. But a pro in this whole situation is that when you have this many clothes, you don't do laundry that often, so that's a plus. The love we found is something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. I ended up keeping a lot of his pants because he's a little shorty, so most of them still fit him. I think I got rid of 3 or 4, but everything else I decided to keep. Too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something. Alright, so I just finished sorting everything out. These pants I'm gonna keep. All of this is gonna be put away. And then these shirts I'm gonna keep. Alright guys, so this is his main clothing space. This is where we hang up a lot of his stuff. And mainly this side needs to be sorted out, and then this side. The bottom are clothes that are still way too big for him, like 12 to 18 months, so I probably won't be touching that. But all of this needs to be sorted out. This is mainly clothes that fit him right now, but I know there might be things that maybe slip through that we need to get rid of. So I'm going to start on this side because I know for sure this side definitely has a lot of clothes that don't fit him already. Get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew. As I'm sorting out the clothes, I'm taking note of items that he doesn't really use. For example, he has a lot of hoodies that I bought him and he rarely ever uses them. I try to put them on him, but he doesn't seem comfortable being in them, so I rarely ever use them. So probably in the future, I probably won't be buying hoodies for him because he rarely ever wears them. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just thought I wasn't gonna touch this side of his closet, but I didn't realize how many clothes I had down here that actually fit him right now. So I took all of those out so he can start using them because I had no idea. And all of these hangers, if you guys are wondering, I got them on Amazon. They are the best hangers. They hold on to clothes really, really well. The clothes do not fall off of them. They are that velvety fabric kind of hanger. So worth the money. I love them. I have them for myself as well, and when I was getting his nursery together for him, I knew that I wanted to get the hangers for him too.
Just to wake you up when I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving.
I switched things up a little bit. I put all of his PJs here as well as like any outdoor stuff that are gonna keep him warm. And then over here, I just decided to put a lot of his clothes that I don't like folding because they're just kind of weird to fold. Just sweaters, dress shirts, hoodies, and then these like awkward overalls. These are Chicago Bear like clothes that he wears just every other Sunday, so I just decided to keep them there. I don't like putting them away. I feel like they take up space and he doesn't really wear them often. So that's how this area looks now that everything that doesn't fit has been put away. And then this is the pile that we have to work with now, just putting away in the bins. This pile I'm keeping right here, and then this pile over here I'm keeping. But everything else in the middle, like this whole mountain of clothes, is what we're gonna put away in the bins. Alright, so this is what I use to put my baby clothes away. It's just a Hefty container bin. The top is like those they're called extra stuff tops, where you can actually like overload it and it won't look kind of weird. Usually they have like those flimsy tops, and I feel like if you overfill it, then you could manage to close it, but there always is something here that looks like it's still open. I like these tops. They're pretty sturdy, so that's what I've been using, and those are the ones that I'm going to keep buying for just future clothes for hand-me-downs. So this is where I'm going to put all of his clothes. I don't think I'll fill it up today, but as we're getting rid of clothes, I'm sure I will, and I'll be labeling it. So this one is going to be labeled 3 to 6.
This moment, can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
So as I was putting his clothes away, I realized that I dropped a whole pile of his clothes that I was going to actually keep. So that's what you saw me pick up. But right now, I'm pretty much folding everything nice and neat and putting it away in the bin. I feel like if you fold everything correctly, you're able to fit more items into the bin. By the way, if you guys are sorting out clothes with me, what are you sorting out? Are you sorting out your own clothes? Are you getting rid of your baby clothes? What is it that you guys are decluttering or sorting out? I would love to know. Leave it in the comment section below.
That I would, 'cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
All right, we are on the home stretch of this whole declutter and put away clothes. Does that make any sense? I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm actually editing at 6:54 this morning. If you guys love these kind of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you back. But what I'm doing right now is just everything that I decided to keep for him is gonna go back into the drawers. And like I said at the beginning, this drawer only has his long sleeves, short sleeves, and pants.
Leaving you for someone else, but it's not who you might think it is. It's someone who you're already loving. I've been over this for a long time now, and
I completely forgot to do an outro, but this is how everything looked after I decluttered all of his little small clothes that didn't fit him. He did have a pile of clothes in the laundry, so as soon as I wash and dry those, I'm gonna sort those out. But that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye! Bye.